Hello everyone, my name is Ashwin Kumar Patil and I am from RBNB College, Shrirampur. As previously we were discussing about the modern periodic table from the 11th science, we have seen the different characteristics according to the blocks and according to the periods also. Okay, now looking towards the periodic trends, what the first trend we have seen, that atomic radius. What means by an atomic radius? If two metal atoms are attached to each other, then the half of the distance between the nucleus of two atoms, or if in case of non-metals, the distance between the two nuclei, okay, its half is equal to the atomic radius. And the most abundant trend seen in the modern periodic table, that the atomic radius goes on decreasing while left to right, means in the period, that modern periodic table, across the period atomic radius goes on decreasing and it increases on the group. Why? Because we know as we go down through the group, that the one more principal quantum number or orbit is added, and that's why the size of an atom increases, which means that the atomic radius also increases. Okay, then the next trend was seen, that the ionic radius. What mean by ionic radius? Simply any atom, when it loses electron or it accepts electron, it gets ionized. And due to that losing or gaining electron, it acquires some charges, and that is why when an atom loses electron, it becomes a cation and it acquires a positive charge, which means that losing of an electron or loosely binded electron in a valence shell decreases the size of atom. And in case where we are going to see the trend, that as atomic radius decreases from left to right, likewise ionic radius also decreases. Okay, the next trend, importantly, we are going to see that electronegativity. What is the electronegativity? It is a property of an atom to attract an electron and bind with it. To attract with an electron. As we have seen, the shielding effect and screening effect, that the inner orbital electron, it rejects or it reflects the electrons which are present in the outer orbit towards the attracting towards the nucleus, that is the effective nuclear charge we have seen. Likewise, if that electronegativity, it is a characteristic property of an atom to attract the electrons and bind with the electrons or new element or new atom. This electronegativity, as we see, it goes on increasing across the period, and it decreases down the group. It decreases. Why? As we know that electronegativity is a tendency to attract the electron. Why it increases along the period? As we can see that atomic radius goes on decreasing. Along the period. That means as the radius decreases, that the distance between the valence shell electron or outermost shell electron and the nucleus goes on decreasing, and it increases the affinity of an atom towards the electron. And while going down the group, it means there is the addition of a new orbit, and it clearly states that the addition of new electron orbit means the distance between the nucleus and electron goes on increasing, which decreases the electronegativity. Okay, then the next trend after the electronegativity, the next trend is ionization enthalpy. Name itself indicates or states that ionization means to ionize an atom, or how an atom ionizes when it loses electron. Or it accepts electron. When it loses electron, it becomes a cation. If it accepts electrons acquiring the negative charge, it becomes an anion. Now the trend, before seeing the trend of ionization enthalpy, we should know that ionization enthalpy, it is nothing but the amount of energy required to ionize an element or atom, means amount of how much energy is required to remove an electron from the valence orbit of an atom. It is called as ionization enthalpy, and the required energy, that ionization enthalpy, it can be calculated in kilojoule per mole. It can be calculated in the kilojoule per mole. And see that trend, we can see same, that ionization enthalpy, it also increases across the period and it decreases along the group. Why decreases? That same reason. If you go across the group, means addition of one more orbit, and as there is the addition of one more orbit, the distance or the valence electron get more easier to remove. Okay, then the next an important trend that can be seen is electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy, or we can see electron affinity. Unlike electronegativity, this property is also that the ability or property of an atom to attract the electron. Property of an atom to attract the electron means what? The change in the enthalpy during the acceptance of electron. It is called as electron gain enthalpy, means how much energy is whether it is liberated or it is evolved. Means what? Addition of an electron to an atom, it may be positive or negative depending upon whether that process is exothermic or endothermic. Whether that process is exothermic or endothermic, means what? For the addition of electron, sometimes exothermic means during the addition of electron heat is evolved and endothermic heat is required. When it is exothermic, that the ionization gain enthalpy, it will be positive. And in endothermic process it will be the negative. The most common example, that the elements of group 17, that are the halogens, if we have to add an electron, addition of one electron, that stabilizes that halogen atoms. Why? Because there are the 7 electrons present in their valence shell. Acquiring 1 electron, they will get the stable electronic configuration like the noble gas elements, and that's why that electron gain enthalpy is more negative in case of halogen, means that it is a endothermic process. And the trend, we can directly say that electron gain enthalpy, it also increases from the period going to left to right, and it decreases across the group. Okay, then the next trend we can see generally, that the trend of valency. What I mean by valency? Number of electrons or number of valence electrons that are present in an atom. That may be, it can accept the electrons or it can donate the electron. This decides the metallic or non-metallic character of an atom. When that atom, we are seeing that electronic configuration clearly states how many electrons, whether that can be donated or accepted, are present in the outermost orbit. It decides the valency, and there is a large variation. As we see, we can never predict in a trend wise, like in the specific period, the valency goes on increasing. Sometimes it goes on increasing and sometimes it decreases. Why? Because as we know, the carbon family, they show the valency of 4, means they can donate electron or they can accept the electron. But whether we see that generally the valency of an element or those atoms which are present in a same group have same valency. Means what? This one is the trend in for the valency of an atom. Okay.